everybody, this is going to be another hair review from VRBest, and I'm going to jump right into this review. Okay, so firstly, again, this hair came from VRBest, 100% virgin human hair. I did not get a chance to bleach the hair or color it in any type of way. I wanted to do an initial review of this hair. So this is what comes in the box. You do get like a little baggie and whatnot from VRBest to actually store the hair in or store your unit in. I did make this into a unit. I did get their body wave hair. I got a 22 2018 and then a 16-inch closure, 4x4, regular body wave hair, very, very standard. This right here is the actual unit. So this is the 4x4 closure. As you guys can see, to me, I feel like the 4x4s are getting smaller and smaller, but maybe that's just me, just because I always look at hair. Like, I'm constantly looking at hair. So maybe it's just in my mind that things are getting smaller, but this closure came with long baby hair. So normally closures come with long baby hair, but to me this is actually pretty long. Another thing is this closure does not have a lot of flyaways, which is also a really good thing, and it came to me with as a free part closure. So this is as far back as it goes. I kind of wanted to do that deep part look, and I have not styled this hair. The only thing I've done with this hair is wash it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. And this is the hair regular after it's been washed. This is the texture. It is standard body wave. As you guys can see, that baby hair in the front, again, super long. I don't know if companies are just deciding to do longer baby hair now or what the case may be, but this to me is a really thick closure, especially in the front. Like, it's super thick. If you want this to look more realistic, I would suggest plucking this, but it's not too bad, especially if you're going to straighten it. I do like the way that it looks thick if it was straightened. So this is the hair, no tangles, no shedding. It's super soft. This is the texture after it has been washed. It bounces right back. Look, it's not frizzy or anything at the ends after being washed. So it's literally gorgeous. It's super soft. It has a natural sheen to it. The quality of the hair is actually really good too. I have been bleaching and coloring my wigs like crazy, and I needed a new dark wig, so I did not want to bleach this. But I can tell you guys that this is really good hair quality. Like, I can feel it. You can definitely feel the texture and the quality of this hair. It's thick. It's all three bundles and the closure. And even without styling it, if I was just to rock it like to the beach or something like that, it would still look kind of natural, as long as I was to maybe pluck this part, or maybe even just lay my closure down just a little bit, you know, flat iron it straight, or I don't know. But to me, this looks natural, and I'm going to actually do another video, and I'm going to actually style this unit because I want it to be more bouncy and have that really defined curl. To me, this is just like relaxing, throw a hat on and go type of day. But I love the fact that this hair does not frizz up after washing. I did co-wash it. I did not use a shampoo, so that could also be a factor in it. But I think the hair is really, really gorgeous. I love, love, love the fact that there's no tangles in it, especially after washing. A lot of hair you'll see like frizz up, or it'll like just make the hair look dead. The hair doesn't look dead to me. It looks really, really natural and bouncy. I am just concerned about this closure because it's so much hair. But this is just my initial review. I'm going to go ahead and do another video styling this hair, and maybe it will look a little bit more va voom to me. Like, I'm into like the big hair glamorous styles, so I'm going to go ahead and do another video styling it. But straight off the back, I do give this hair a as a initial review, because there's no shedding even after me making the unit. No shedding, no tangles, because I really am looking for that va voom with this. But it's really nice in its natural state, and this is a unit that my husband actually doesn't mind me wearing. Like, he actually likes this. So I think the only thing is, because I've been rocking it with the hat, I think the only thing is I just need to either style it or go ahead and straighten my roots so it lays down completely flat. But I don't have any issues with it because there is literally no flyaways. Like, I mean, I like it. So let me know what you guys think about this hair. I'm going to style this in another video, and I'll leave a link down below for you guys if you are interested. Again, this hair is from VRBest. If you're looking for some body wave hair that you can wear to the beach because it is vacation season, I definitely recommend this, because I don't see this getting ruined or anything by water. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video.